When planning a project, you have many difficult things to consider. How will you design it? Will you draw a schematic by hand? Well, that can take a lot of work to do. How will you test it? If the circuitry has problems, you could even break the components while testing. But now, there's a new, simpler option to handle all of these problems. This is called Tinkercad Circuits. Tinkercad is a well-known Autodesk website for 3D modeling. It now has circuit building, programming, and testing capabilities, all for free. This is an absolute must-use website. If you don't know what a schematic is a visual representation of a circuit. It is important to note that Tinkercad will not generate a schematic like the one you see on screen. There are three main parts of a Tinkercad Circuits project. First, you can create a new circuit. In this project, you have three main parts: the canvas, the component menu, and the coding area. To build a project, you drag components from the component menu to the canvas. I'll find an Arduino, and I'll find an LED, and connect them like this. If your project involves something programmable, such as an Arduino, you can click this button to see the coding area. From here, you can change this to text to do the actual coding. In this area, you can code and debug. You can use the serial monitor, and they also have a debugging tool, which you can click to make breakpoints. Finally, to test your project, you can click the Start Simulation button right here. I will change this to pin 12. And let's go. Tinkercad Circuits is an incredible tool. Click the link in the description below to sign up. Tinkercad is nothing until you build the circuits. In the description, you can click the links to buy an Arduino or an Ultimate Arduino Starter Kit to get you building these projects.